tons of mechanized machinery, millions of dollars of goods and products, and every day it's all riding on the part of the truck that takes constant wear and tear. As a professional, you know that tires are the #1 maintenance cost. When you help get the most out of tires through effective maintenance, you're making roadways safer and keeping everyone happy by saving money, reducing breakdowns, and ensuring that deliveries stay on time. One of the simplest ways to improve performance and lengthen tire life is to make sure that every tire is properly inflated all the time. That's a basic that is sometimes easy to overlook, something worth checking on daily. First, make sure pressure is checked when the tires are cold, before the vehicle is even driven a mile. Heat from road use causes tire pressure to increase, so never check pressure when tires are hot, and never bleed inflation pressure from a hot tire. Before you can get an accurate reading, a hot tire needs at least 3 to 4 hours of cooldown time after coming off the road. When it comes to checking cold inflation pressure, document the pressure in each tire, then adjust to the fleet's recommendation, which is usually determined by the supervisor of the fleet you are servicing. It still holds true that the best, most precise pressure check means using an accurate tire gauge. The method of pounding tires with a mallet or club just doesn't do the job. When you make the rounds checking tires, be sure to check both tires on a dual assembly. If the hand holes aren't aligned for easy pressure checks, get those realigned to make it simpler. And since we're on duals, they should match not only in pressure, but also in size. For best wear on dual assemblies, tread depth should be within 4/32 of each other and within 1/4 of an inch in diameter for all tires in dual assemblies. Since wear may vary at different places on the tire, you should measure tread depth in at least 2 locations around the circumference. Always follow standards of the Department of Transportation and the fleet for allowable remaining tread depth to determine when a tire should be removed from service. If both tires on a dual assembly have flat spots, it may help minimize or equalize irregular wear to rotate the tires so the flat spots are approximately 180 degrees apart. As you check each tire, listen for leaks, especially around the valve stem assembly. Clogged or loose valve cores, loose valve stems, worn out valve stem grommets, and improperly torqued assemblies are common causes for leaks. Make sure each valve stem is tightly sealed with a metal or flow-through type valve cap. A good cap is the simplest way to prevent leakage and help keep contamination out of the valve stems. While you're always on the lookout for a leak, even in good conditions, tires can lose about 2 pounds of inflation pressure a month. That's one more reason for routine checks. If there are consistently low readings on tires, check the pressure gauge to see if it's out of calibration. Any tire that is 20% or more below its correct inflation pressure is considered to be flat and must be removed and inspected by a qualified tire technician. Because running flat can cause serious internal damage, examine the tire inside and out to determine if it's fit for service. Check sidewalls for wear and damage, and if you notice sidewall scuffing, there are solutions. A little more care during turns may reduce the problem. In some cases, switching to tires with sidewall protector ribs may also help. Be sure to check wheels and rims for missing or loose lug nuts, cracks, rust, corrosion, or other damage. A certain number of tread cuts are normal, but beware of any cuts so deep that you can see steel cord. If cord is exposed, the tire must be removed. It's also a good idea for drivers and technicians to share information. Reports of handling difficulties or a rough ride can often help you catch and fix problems early before they become serious. If a vehicle is pulling to one side, that may indicate a problem with tractor alignment. If the truck wanders from side to side, or if it's dog tracking, that could indicate a problem with trailer alignment. Is the truck vibrating? Is the vibration from side to side? Or is it up and down? Where's the driver feel the vibration? In the steering wheel? In the seat? In the floor? Any of these conditions can lead to rapid tire wear or irregular wear, which can shorten the life of the tire. It may also indicate issues that could lead to tire problems. Along with this and other Bridgestone tire videos, there are publications such as TMC Radial Tire Conditions Analysis Guide and websites that can help provide additional information to help deliver trouble-free performances mile after mile. When you play a part in keeping tons of mechanized machinery on the road and keep millions of dollars of products and merchandise moving, the American trucking industry needs to know they can count on you and Bridgestone.